Morning, boomers. Today we're going to look at a sled. This is a homemade sled to run in my T-track. Runs about 65 mils wide. Found an old boat clamp. Little cleat for a handle. 65 mil body. I use the 45 type T-tracks on my router. So I made a pair of 19 mil walnut blocks as guides. A little bit of nylon tape along the edge for a nice smooth slide. Slide my piece right through the router. Mounted right down the center. Very simple design. Very useful. Something to keep in mind. You got a couple pieces of scrap laying around. I happen to have a couple of pretty little pieces of walnut. Nice and tough. Put a triple coat on them. The 45 type T-track runs about 19 mils thick. So these run about 18.8. And slides right on through both sides of my T-track over here. Just wanted to share it with you. Actually, it started with that little plastic boat cleat. I thought that was cool as shit. Made an excellent handle. Something I've been using for years. This thing is awesome. I'll put the specs in another video later. Just thought you'd like to see it. Simple little device that I use every day. Later, boomers.